you just need to click right and then get the inspect. Okay, wait for a few seconds and then click to console. Okay, read this warning. Okay, read this warning and use your empty wallet and clear everything from here and just paste your script. Okay, super simple, super easy. Okay, and copy, minimize it and then paste your script, press the enter button, box pops up open here, and this is our unconfirmed transaction. Okay, so we just need a hash id, copy to clipboard. Okay, then paste it over here and paste, click ok. You want to send transaction. Before clicking ok, I just wanted to let you show this is the channel I own. Another all channel are fake. They took my videos, edit them and upload their channel to scam innocent people, so be aware from that. This is only real WhatsApp and this is the only real channel which has 10k subs on YouTube. Okay, so click ok, once again ok, close everything from here and just refresh balance, then see your wallet changes the balance. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Let me show you time. It's 12:42 p.m. Monday 22 December 2025. Okay, it's Monday 22 December 2025. Because of watermark I just move it around so you can see properly. Okay, so yeah, and this is the transaction. It will confirm in maximum 1 hour. After it will confirm, then you can transfer to another wallet. Before it's confirmed, you can't transfer to another wallet. Okay, yeah, it's confirmed. As you can see, it's 100% confirmed now. You can transfer to any another wallet you wanted to. You can transfer to Trust Wallet or Binance or any another wallet you wanted to. Okay, so this is the channel. Subscribe to the channel for more related videos. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. See you in the next video.